So guys, I found this in the garbage. This is the last of flight test. I'm just kidding. Hey, what's up guys, I'm Akshay Sham and welcome to FTOMS, first time flying airplane from top of my house. Let's go. Woo! Launching in 3, 2 and 1.
I just peed a little.
Okay guys, change of plan. So actually we was not able to make it, but see this awesome thing. I will show you guys something else. See. Woo! This is so amazing. Okay, so I'm really sad right now, but you guys can make it. Subscribe here, watch the previous video there. Love you millions. See ya.